How to change your WhatsApp chat wallpaper on Android. This tutorial shows you how to personalize your chat background with themes, colors, and custom images. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device and open any chat you want to change the wallpaper for. After that, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the chat. From there, tap on Chat Theme to open the customization options. At this point, you'll see a variety of different themes to browse through. Scroll and pick any one that catches your eye. In the next step, under the Customize section, tap on Chat Color to change the color scheme of your chat bubbles. Following this, go back and under the same Customize section, tap on Wallpaper to open the wallpaper options. Once done, you'll see all the built-in wallpapers provided by WhatsApp. Tap any one to preview and apply it. From here, if you'd rather use your own photo, tap on Choose from Gallery at the top and select any image from your device. At this stage, if you want a solid color background instead, tap on Set Color and pick whichever color you prefer. Finally, if you want something more unique, tap on Create with AI to generate a custom wallpaper using artificial intelligence and apply it directly to your chat. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your WhatsApp chat wallpaper on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.